Okay, so we're up in Orient right now, helping Eugene and Linda with their garden. They're gonna show us how they do it. And we're gonna see if we can get it planted today.
What we're working off of. So now we got those two. We got those two.
Sammy, are you helping?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna help plant a garden?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Sounds like fun. Get the lines in. Wow, Sammy, are you helping the garden? Good job. And Abby? We have a new member on our crew. Sammy's working hard. And Abby. Good job. We guys got potatoes. Let me see. What about the red potatoes? Okay, so got potatoes in. Sammy's still working hard.
I read someplace that if you put ash in the hole and then put your potato in, and last year I had no wireworm.
Okay, Lisa, give them potato. Nah. Put potato right there. Put deep.
This a little wider.
Now see me. Good boy.
Try to find one with sprouts.
Hold them like
Dan
that.
has his measuring
So
stick.
they're ready to know which way to go. Hold it straight up.
6 inches apart. John.
No, don't hold it like that. Do it good and hard.
Yeah? Let's put it right here.
Oh.
Good job. Perfect.